Hello, I'm Dr. Kulback at K2 Restorative Med Spa, and I've just finished doing a neck lift on this beautiful young woman. She drove about an hour to see me today, which I'm very honored. And I'm just going to ask her a few questions about what brought her in and what her experience was like here. So, why did you come see Dr. Pam today?
So I came to see you because I have spent, I guess about 10 years ago, I went through sort of a traumatic life experience. I was also a smoker for a long time, quit 6 years ago today, and I have spent the last 6 years trying to improve my skin and repair the damage, that I've done over the past 10 years or so. And I've spent a lot of money, I've spent a lot of time, but nothing I ever did was improving the laxity in the front of my neck. I had a lot of crepey skin on the front of my neck, and being just shy of 40 years old, it was really affecting my confidence. I just felt like it didn't match the rest of me.
So why did you pick me? What made you come to K2 Restorative Med Spa?
Okay, I had never heard of Dr. Kulback actually, and so I heard of PDO THREADS recently, and I started researching different places that provided that. And you had videos on your website where I was able to watch her in action. I was able to watch you in action, and the way that you interacted with your patients or your clients just really impacted me, because I think everybody's story is important to them. I think everybody's story is special, and I could tell that your clients really connected with you, and I felt the same. As soon as I walked in this door, I felt the same, and the patient experience is just very important to me.
So how's your patient experience been today then?
It's been wonderful. Not only was it painless, the actual PDO thread process, but when you were out of the room, I was actually telling your staff that I felt so comfortable because of the way you even maneuvered around me. Like I could tell that it was something you were very confident in. And not only that, you were talking to me, making me feel like I was not just a number.
Oh, well, good. Well, we try to do that. I have been doing this quite a long time. I am one of the most experienced PDO thread treatment physicians in the state. I started doing this about 6 months after it was approved by the FDA for the whole United States. So I have been doing it quite a long time. And I do this to make people happy, and you're just another example of why I love doing this, to help people and give them an alternative to surgery.
And you're saying this is only 25%, and it's already far better than I could have expected. I feel like it matches my face, and it matches, my heart.